Hey, what is up? This is Jake, and today we're gonna be talking about what I bring in my trail camera pack post-season. Now, what I bring kind of changes throughout the year, but we're gonna go through the basics right here, and hopefully it'll help you think of something that maybe you don't typically bring. So, diving right into it, first thing I bring, which might be a little overkill, is I bring a laptop. Now, it's beautiful to come out here and check cameras and know if you need to readjust them right on the spot instead of driving back and forth. A lot of properties aren't necessarily real close, so I like to bring it with so I can be as nimble as possible when I'm checking the cameras, and also the instant gratification I also like. So now, a lot of times if I'm not bringing my laptop, I'll always bring this regardless, and this is an SD card case. There's a lot of them out there. Most of them come in 8 packs or even 12 slots. This one has, I want to say 20. So I run a lot of cameras and it's easier to stay organized. This side are all SD cards that I'm willing to switch over, so very easy. This one is all the cards that I already checked. So I'll go back home and put them on the desktop and get a better look and organize them on there. So it's a pretty easy process. I like it. It's simple. I like the extra slots because with the other ones I end up having to stack 2 on each slot and it gets confusing. So this is a elephant case. It's like $18 on Amazon. Pretty good SD card case. Now, I also like to bring extra straps. Now, if the squirrel chews it up or whatever, it's just nice to have extra ones. Or if you're bringing extra cameras, I've often forgot a strap, but by stuffing one away in your pack, it's good to have. And also if you forget a belt or something, you can use it in a lot of different ways, or maybe use it up in the tree stand as well. So just a nice little piece of equipment to have on hand. I also like to bring a battery pack ready to go with fresh batteries, so during season I can switch it in and out, not to fumble around and put new batteries in. And I rely on my cameras. I want them to be running 365 when they're out there, so I don't like questioning if all the battery's dead. I'm not sure. I take all the guesswork out. We'll put these battery packs on the website too if you guys want to pick up a few extra. They're nice to have on hand. So I also bring physical batteries with me just to have. Got a big pack here, so I want to put whatever equipment I can in here. It's all pretty lightweight and it's good exercise if it's a little heavy. So also I'll be bringing a wireless camera with me year round to have at my disposal. If I go check a camera and there's a big buck on it, like when I bring my laptop, so I know right then and there, I'll set it up, and that way I can have remote intel regardless of where I'm at. It's definitely a luxury, and if you are able to bring one with you all the time, I think it'll be really useful. So this will ship in April if you haven't heard, but we're proud of this and we're excited to be able to use it to its full advantage. Aside from that, I bring some other just extra cameras in case I need to put one up and have a lock on it ready to go, bring the key with, and it's just a good thing to have. I like to be as versatile as I can, and a pack often does that, and it's maybe a little extra hassle to carry around a backpack the whole time, but I like it and I think it's worth it. I also bring a GoPro just to kind of document things. I have my full setup on the camera that's running this now, but I put a microphone on top and have a tripod underneath it. So pretty nice little system, and this is what I typically bring. I'd love to know, what are you bringing in your trail camera pack? Are you bringing an SD card case? Are you bringing a laptop? Are you leaving a laptop in the truck? We would love to know, and thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please do, and we'll be uploading a ton of different podcasts, videos throughout the year, and we'd love to have you. Thanks.